Welcome to our training on the brand referral bonus. At Amazon, sellers can earn bonuses by driving purchases of their brand's products using non-Amazon advertising. These brand referral bonuses are provided to sellers as credits that offset the referral fees for future sales. Bonuses vary by product category and reduce referral fees for promoted products by 50% on average. For example, maybe you sell a $100 backpack that's part of your brand with a referral fee of 14%. By driving a sale through non-Amazon advertising associated with a brand referral bonus, you might earn a 7% credit. That credit could offset the referral fee on a later sale of the same backpack, increasing the net profit from $86 to $93. To be eligible for the Brand Referral Bonus program, you need to meet two basic requirements. Your brand needs to be enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, and you need to be internal to the brand and sell its products in Amazon's U.S. store using a professional selling account. If you'd like more information about brand registry and access to brand selling benefits like the Brand Referral Bonus, see the series of modules in our Seller University course, Launch Your Brand in the Amazon Store. If you and your brand meet the requirements, you can set up brand referral bonuses in 3 basic steps. First, you'll enroll your Seller Central account in the Brand Referral Bonus program. Then you'll use the Amazon Attribution tool in the Amazon Ads console to select products and create tags for your non-Amazon advertising. Finally, you'll apply those tags to your non-Amazon advertising using a campaign manager. You can apply tags to both paid and unpaid advertising. You'll earn a bonus each time a customer clicks an ad you've applied a tag to, travels to the Amazon store, and purchases a product within your brand that's associated with a tag. Those products can be purchased up to 2 weeks after the customer clicks the ad, and they can be items you're featuring in your non-Amazon advertising or others within your brand. The exact bonus you earn for each sale is calculated using the product's category, sales price, and other factors like shipping and gift wrap charges. You can see a list of estimated brand referral bonus rates by searching for the Brand Referral Bonus help page in Seller Central. In addition to earning bonuses on qualified purchases, you can use the Brand Referral Bonus and Amazon Attribution to track, assess, and optimize the impact of your non-Amazon advertising. Use clicks, detail page views, purchases, and other data in Amazon Attribution reports to make informed decisions and maximize the return on your advertising investment. Now that you're more familiar with the Brand Referral Bonus, let's review each step for setting up a bonus in more depth. The first step is enrolling your Seller Central account in the program. Start by hovering over Brands in the main menu, clicking Build Your Brand, then scrolling down and locating the Brand Referral Bonus card in the list of programs. On the next page, click the Enroll button to sign up for the program. You'll be prompted to complete a required tax form. Make sure you complete the form before proceeding to the next step, as you can't receive a brand referral bonus without completing it. If you have any questions about the form, refer to the list of tax FAQs on the Brand Referral Bonus help page. The next step for a brand referral bonus is creating the Amazon Attribution tags that will track the traffic from your non-Amazon advertising. Start by creating an account with Amazon Ads if you don't already have one. Visit advertising.amazon.com, click the Register button, and follow the prompts. After signing into your Amazon Ads account, click the Measurement and Reporting icon in the main menu. Then Amazon Attribution to access the tool. Click Campaign, then the Create Campaign button to start the tag creation process. First, you'll see a method for creating tags, manually or in bulk. Then you'll select the products within your brand that you want to associate with tags, including any product variations. With each of your products selected, you'll create ad groups, one for each ad, or one for each link or button within an ad if there's more than one. You'll enter a name for each ad group, select a publisher and channel, and enter the Amazon URL you want to drive customers to. In many cases, this will be the URL for a specific product detail page. But you could also use the URL associated with your brand's Amazon store. Finally, you'll click the Create button to generate a unique tag for each ad group. If you'd like step-by-step instructions for creating Amazon attribution tags, visit the Amazon Ads console. Click the question icon in the upper right corner and select Support Center. On the next page, click Amazon Attribution, then click Create an Amazon Attribution Campaign. After you have your tags, you're ready to apply them to your non-Amazon advertising. This process will vary from one campaign manager to another, but you'll follow the same basic steps each time. Start by accessing the campaign manager. For example, if you're running an ad on social media, access the campaign manager within the social media console. Then copy and paste one tag into a corresponding destination URL field. Remember that each tag you enter should be unique and applied to one ad or one link or button within an ad. When you've applied all tags to your non-Amazon advertising, launch your ads to begin collecting brand referral bonuses. You'll see bonuses applied to your Seller Central account after a 2-month waiting period, which helps account for order cancellations and customer returns. Each brand referral bonus is provided as a credit and is used to offset the referral fees in one or more transactions until the bonus is exhausted. For example, maybe you earned a 7% brand referral bonus on a $100 backpack that was sold in July. In September, you might see that bonus applied as a credit against a single referral fee of $14, bringing the total fee down to $7. Or you might see your $7 brand referral bonus applied to a $5 referral fee, then a $6 referral fee, eliminating the first fee and reducing the second to $4. You can see some brand referral bonuses in the transaction details for customer order payments. To view transaction details, hover over Reports in the main menu in Seller Central, then click Payments. On the Payments dashboard, click Transaction View and locate an order payment by entering the 17-digit order number in the search bar. Or use the Transaction Type column to find an order payment. Click the amount in the Total column to view transaction details. If you see a Discount on Referral Fee line, that means a brand referral bonus has been applied and partially covers the referral fee for the order payment. Or it means a bonus has been applied and covers the full referral fee when there's tax on the fee. If a brand referral bonus covers the full referral fee and there's no tax on the fee, no line will appear in the transaction details, but a bonus will still be applied. You can also download a report that summarizes your brand referral bonus information. On the Brand Referral Bonus page, click the Download Report button to generate a spreadsheet that contains information about estimated brand referral bonuses you've earned, as well as bonuses that have been applied as credits. The report also includes a list of customer order IDs where bonuses have been used to offset referral fees. This concludes our training on the Brand Referral Bonus. For an overview of other brand selling benefits, see our Seller University video, Benefits of Enrolling a Brand in Amazon Brand Registry. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.